In today's guide video of 1 2 Step, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Amazon credit card account. If you also want to manage your credit card, then you'll need to first log into your account. The credit card of Amazon is issued by Synchrony Bank, so the login process is also done within the website of Synchrony Bank. Search for Amazon credit card login on the search bar of your web browser and you can see the first link from the Synchrony financials. Click on this result and it's gonna straight take you to the login section. On this website, you just need to type in the user ID in the first box and then type in the password in the second box. If you have forgotten your user ID or the password to your account, click on the Forgot My User ID or Password link. Follow further steps to recover your credentials. Once you typed in both of these information, you can now click on Secure Login and you'll be immediately logged in to your credit card account of Amazon. So that was the easy process of logging in to your Amazon credit card account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys are interested in more videos that we upload. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.